proceed to the inspection area. Call Sonodan Clifford San of Kaizen Taekwondo Club and Peter R.J. Lee of Strikers Taekwondo.
Go, yeah!
Sonodan
Nice!
Clifford San of Kaizen Taekwondo Club and Peter R.J. Lee of Strikers Taekwondo. Please proceed to the inspection area. Thank you.
Go, yeah!
Call Tanifrapa Floyd Devon of Black Jaguar Taekwondo and Hamid Badruddin of Manolo for Teach Taekwondo. Please proceed to the inspection area. Call Mara Scali Isabella of Kaizen Taekwondo Club Saman and Iburan Alcazar of PPTA Bohol. Please proceed to the inspection area. Thank you.
Go, in! Go, yeah! Nice! Head kick, Magdonia. Pikas na nag-score. Yeah, bawi, bawi. 3 points to eh. Points ang bawas.
Coach Kimawe Akshari, please proceed to the reporter's table.
Hindi, wala ko na score. Ay, paano? Wala. Sige, sige, sige! Sige, sige!
And the next one, the result for grade school girls boys under 144. Medalist, bronze, Zarina Christian Strikers Taekwondo Academy. Bronze, Kanina Kakaleo of Baluga Taekwondo TC. Silver, Ganesha Tisalo of Wichita BNCTA